Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our first lesson of information technology. Dear students, in last video we have learned about software. There are two types of software, system software and application software. In previous video we have learned system software in detail and now we will learn application software in detail. The application software is a set of programs designed to perform a specific task. Application software are of various types. They can be divided into various categories according to their functions. The most commonly used application software are discussed here. Word processor. This software is used to compose, format, edit and print electronic documents. Microsoft Word and WordPerfect are examples of such programs. Electronic spreadsheet. This software allows numbers, text and complex functions to be entered into a matrix of thousands of individual cells. Microsoft Excel and Lotus 123 are examples of spreadsheet programs. Image editor. This software is designed especially for creating, capturing, editing and manipulating images. Adobe Photoshop and CorelDraw are examples of such programs. Database management systems. This is a collection of computer programs that allow storage, modification and extraction of information from a database in an efficient manner. Fox Pro, Microsoft Access and Oracle are examples of DBMS. Presentation software. This software allows the user to create presentations with the help of slides and handouts. Microsoft PowerPoint and Freelance Graphics are examples of presentation software. Desktop publishing software. This software allows a user to create printed documents using a desktop computer. It is the technique of using a personal computer to design a page with text and graphic and then using a laser printer or image setter to output the assembled pages onto a paper, film or a printing plate. These softwares are used for publishing newsletters, books and magazines. Quark Express and Adobe InDesign are examples of such softwares. So dear students, in this video we have learned about application software in detail. So watch the video carefully. It will help you to understand the different types of application softwares.